Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be working on the edit button. The button, when we click on the button, it will take us to a page, edit contact.view, which will contain the form which we'll use to edit the records, the details of the contact. So let's start. So we'll start from the all contact.view file. We'll create the edit button like this. With the router link, just like the show button. Okay, the name of the route will be edit contact, and to have a param the id too, because we need to fetch the records of we need to fetch the details of the contact. Return info, then the text on the button should be edit. So let's create this route, edit contact, the app.js. So we'll copy this. So we'll call it edit contact, and you have the ID, referencing the ID and the name of the component. We haven't created it, but we'll do that now. Edit contacts. Let's import it before we create it. Very funny. Edit contact from so let's create the components. And this component will have the form that we'll be using to update the details of the contact. That's the only thing it will have. So I think I should pause the video and paste some code to save time. Okay, so this is the code for the form. Just simple bootstrap form. Okay, then we'll have a submit at submit dot prevent, so that it won't reload the page, and we'll call a method called update contact. Then we need to put vmodel in these fields too. Vmodel, and we'll call it form data dot name. We'll define that now down there. Email, form data dot email. This should be address. Then this should be phone number. Phone. All this means is that in the form, the input fields will be populated with the details of the contacts, the details of the contact that we want to edit. Okay, so let's say form data name and address, email, and phone. So that's done. Then we need to create this update contact method, which will be triggered when we click the submit button. Okay, but first we need to make an Axios call to the backend to fetch the records of the contacts, the specific records of this contact. So let's do that. We'll be in the created lifecycle. So it will be an Axios. We already have this. Let me see. We can get it. Yes, we can use this one. As we copy from the single contact page. So if you go to this route, then the response, what we'll do with the response is that we'll assign it to these variables, so that when the form loads, we'll be able to see them because of this V model. Let me show you. Dot form data dot name equals to response dot data dot name. So we'll do that for all of them. I think I should pause the video to save some time. So that's it. So when this edit contact.view is mounted, it will assign these variables. The response it gets from the backend, it will assign them to these variables. So let's test that out. So you can see the form is populated with the details of the contacts. Let's see this one. Freddy, working well. Barry, so that's working well. Okay, let's work on the update contact method. So when this method is triggered, it will make an Axios call. Patch. We won't be using get this time. Then response. We will log out the response. So if you go to the route, if you go to will be, let's call it edit contact, and we need to pass in the ID to be this dot route dot params dot ID. So let's create this route in the backend. Edit contacts. Patch. The name of the route is edit contacts, and you look for a method called update. So let's create that method. Update. So have the requests. Sorry. So first we validate the fields and get that from here. Validate. Okay, I forgot to do something. Also, we need to pass in payload, which it will be expecting at the backend. So the name will be this form data.name, form data.name, address, same thing, email, the same thing, but it will be expecting this it will be expecting this in the back end. So let's go on the controller. So after validating the fields, we'll look for that particular contact that we want to update, and we'll do it like this: contact find. We haven't passed in the ID yet. After you find, say contacts, updates. What is the updating requests? Oh, you need to return a JSON as usual. So let's see if that's working. Let's see if it's working. Let's test it out. Let's edit this. Let's talk updated. It brought a response, and you can see that it updated it. Check the database. So you can see this first record has been changed. So let's update another one. Let's update this Freddy so that you see it in action very well. Freddy updated. Yeah, so it brought a response. Let's check the database. So you can see that it has updated it. So after we update, I want to use a router to push us to the home page. So we do it like this: dot router dot push. So it pushes us to the home page by itself. So let's see that. Let's update this record. Barry updated. So let's see. So you can see it has pushed us to the home page, and you can see that the record has been updated. Let's check the database, and you can see it's updated over here too. So that's how to implement the edits in the Vue.js. Next, we'll deal with the delete button in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.